Are you a professional logo designer? Think diamond is your brand name. Then, how to build a creative logo design concept for this?
Very simple. Go to ChatGPT, generate a prompt, then create a logo.
The logo is beautiful, but the process is wrong. A professional logo should be simple, attractive as well. It should have a deep meaning. So now let's see how to create this logo as professional way. Firstly, you must build a story around this diamond logo. Think, a diamond is a precious gem. Something so valuable is made from a worthless bit of coal. A piece of coal is subjected to intense pressure over time, resulting in a stunning diamond. So now we have a story. That's the pressure on ourselves. If we can represent this pressure in the diamond, we can represent a story in the logo. Let's start with the basic diamond form. This is a diamond shape. Anyone may recognize it as a diamond. It's simple. The next step is to illustrate the pressure that is being applied to us. We may accomplish this simply by using an arrow pointing to the left. Our objective now is to symbolize this arrow in the diamond logo. So I may remove the two corners of the diamond shape. Take a look at the results. This logo features both a diamond shape and an arrow pointing to the left. This is how a novice designer should begin to think. Learning how to utilize a tool does not make you a good designer. Learning to think helps you become a good designer. What do you guys think about the logo? Comment below.